So, good morning, mga ka-Inday Vlogs. So, let's cook breakfast, no? Inday Vlogs still sleep, but mommy cooking breakfast. Say, what is this? This is octopus or squid? Squid? Squid. And then, there is a rice and egg. Breakfast ni Inday Vlogs. Charan. Egg na siya. Sarap. Sarap, sarap. Sarap.